We are super excited to launch a new treatment line from Live Lux Lab called Save Me From. These treatments can be used in so many different ways. I'm going to use it to style my hair today. What I'm going to do is dispense a little product, put this in my hair. This is product overload, so this is going to give us texture on wet hair and make my hair feel a little bit thicker. Now what I'm going to do is blow dry. I'm gonna add another reboot to my hair, and this is called Age Acceleration. So this is gonna replace my pomade, and it's gonna treat my hair for thickness as I wear it.